went from poor. Oh, you gave me life to live for. She opened doors and closed my pain. Told me anything I want to obtain. That's the life we're living, just a game. And I gotta learn how to be a gem. Notice how I say yes, mom, I can. Remember those nights when we laid awake on the floor with no bed and no blanket. Shipping from the cold, but you kept me warm. Had me on your chest and around your arms. Oh, mama, swear I felt so safe. And I would embrace and touch your face. Wipe your tears off, cause you're gonna be okay. Then we held each other all night, we prayed. Woke up in the morning, another day I'm moaning. We hear the gunshots, but we gotta keep on moving. Gotta keep on moving. She was all I knew when I was sad. She gave me hope and made me glad. We was there when they turned on me. She made me smile and made me happy. Kind of woman that can save the world. Made me believe I can be stronger. Taught me how to walk and how to talk. She gave me all I want, she gave me love. You speak with knowledge and me too well. Mama picked me up whenever I fell. Oh, your blood and ate so that she can feed. Never spoke back, we scared to get beat. She would sing me hoo-ah, and instantly 1 foot high. And I would smile and the please repeat. And by the end of that, I would go to sleep. She's my friend and everything I have. I tell her my secrets with her, I share. Oh, I love, I swear, can't lie. Can't convey how much I get inside. When daddy died, I just couldn't cry. Didn't understand why you had to say goodbye. I was a child, but now I know why. You, mama, you stood by our side. Even though our life was very hard, right? I write these wrong for you to realize and open your eyes so someday we'll be in paradise. She was all I knew when I was sad. She gave me hope and made me glad. Oh, you was there when you turned on me. She made me smile and made me happy. Kind of woman that can save the world. Made me believe I can be stronger.